Cricket is not just a sport in India, it's an emotion, a religion. But there are some moments where the game had to take a back seat because the nation came first. Politics, wars, and terror attacks have often led India to boycott the game. Today, let's talk about those moments where cricket was sacrificed for the country and how the players stood by our armed forces. Because between the years of 1962 and 1977, not a single match was played between the two countries. The border situation, wars, terror attacks, and lack of diplomatic ties made it seem very impossible. But when cricket finally resumed, it almost felt like an extension of diplomacy. The next major instance came in the year 1986, where India, the defending champions, decided to boycott the second edition of the Asia Cup because there was a civil war in Sri Lanka. With tension rising in the regions, India decided to pull out, and Sri Lanka went on to win their first ever Asia Cup since the other countries weren't giving a tough fight. This was a fine example of how political and security issues could impact the cricket field. Between the years of 2004 and 2008, there was a tiny ray of hope. After years of hostility, India finally toured Pakistan, where thousands of fans even crossed borders to watch these series because things had somewhat settled down. Cricket acted as a bridge, but that peace didn't last forever because it was then breached by Pakistan yet again. The tragic 26/11 Mumbai attacks changed everything again. The last bilateral series played between India and Pakistan was in 2013. In the ongoing Asia Cup, India made it clear that playing in our country was not an option because of security and political concerns after the Pahalgam issue. Some called it politics mixed with sport, but the truth is, in a country like ours, cricket and politics can never be separated. When recently India faced Pakistan, protests broke out in cities like Mumbai and Delhi. Many believed our players shouldn't even step onto the field, and that would be disrespectful to the victims and their families. The match anyways went ahead, yet there was a silent boycott that followed by. The BCCI officials chose to not attend the game. Our players walked off without shaking hands with the Pakistan team. Behind the closed doors, they let their silence speak louder than their words. And then at the post-match presentation, skipper Surya Kumar Yadav dedicated the victory to the Pahalgam victims and the families. And Team India will always stand with our armed forces. Cricket will always remain close to our hearts, but there are times where we have to remember that nation always comes first. But about respecting the sacrifices of those who protect us every day. If you found this video insightful, like and share it with your friends and subscribe for more stories from iOne Sports.